KION News Channel 46 starts now with a weather alert.
Welcome back. Taking a full look at weather now. Weather Authority Chief Meteorologist Dan Cianca. I don't like hearing about these, but we have them often around here, it seems.
You know, and of course it'll be on a night when we're doing storm coverage, but I have to mention it because my reporting criteria say so. Get an earthquake tonight. 9:47 p.m., 3.4 magnitude, right along the San Andreas Fault Zone in San Benito County. You may have felt something, may have felt a little shaken, a little jolt. I did get one comment from a viewer in Hollister who said, pretty good shake in the house in Hollister today. So again, this is 3.4 magnitude. The epicenter about a half a mile to the east of the Cienega School in San Benito County. That's on Cienega Road. It's kind of that loop road that goes from like Union Road in Hollister down past the Hollister Hills and then comes all the way back toward Piscinas. Speaking of Piscinas, the earthquake is about 4 miles west of there, about 9 miles south-southeast of Hollister, and 17 miles east-northeast of Salinas. Again, that was at 9:47. It was a magnitude 3.4 at a depth of around 5 miles. So somewhat shallow, I guess, in earthquake terms. Here's the Did You Feel It map from the USGS showing zip codes that people reported feeling it from, mostly pretty close to the epicenter in San Benito and Monterey counties tonight. Okay, yeah, obviously rain. We're talking about that as well. Here's a live look from Domenico's on the Wharf. It is currently raining in Monterey again. Earlier today, I was getting all sorts of messages on social media. Dan, Monterey is pretty dry still. You were saying it was going to rain. Monterey, it's been pretty dry so far today. Well, you're getting dumped on tonight, so it just took some time for it to happen. But yeah, we got some rain going. Here's some precipitation totals. These are preliminary totals through about right around 11:15. Mining Ridge on the Big Sur coast is predicted the wettest spot so far, 3.5 inches of rain. Ben Lomond Mountain, the wettest spot in Santa Cruz County I could find so far at 2 inches. Monterey just exceeded Santa Cruz within the last 10 minutes, up to almost 3/4 of an inch of rain. Santa Cruz, you're right in there as well. Watsonville, about 1/2 inch of rain. In Salinas, well, yeah, it's been dry in Salinas. The cold front hasn't made it here yet. As we look at the radar picture tonight, it may not actually make it. It got close. We're starting to see it retrograde a little bit. It's been moving slowly west to east for the last several hours, but notice these last couple frames, it's almost like, nah, I like the beach. I'm going to stay on the coast. So yeah, Marina, you've been under it for like the last hour, and it's right over you again. Seaside, same for you. Down to Carmel. We're getting some pretty serious rain rates here. Watch out for ponding on the roadways. This thing has been raining moderate rainfall for the last hour or so. That's certainly enough to put some water in areas that don't drain very well and make the roads extra slippery. Now, this cold front will eventually start to fizzle out a bit tonight. It's sitting right overhead right now because the parent low pressure system right here is starting to move back to the west. We expected this to happen. It is going to park itself offshore for the next couple of days and occasionally throw some rounds of showers at us. But as it moves back to the west, it kind of loses track of these frontal systems that came out, right? So they moved out into California here off of the water, and without that forcing from the low nearby, they're kind of just like, well, why do I want to keep going forward? I have no momentum anymore. I'm losing it. So they're just going to slowly fade away here across the state over the next 24 hours. But they're still going to be here, and they will act as a focal point for some additional precipitation. They'll just start to lose some strength. The wind won't be as strong. We won't have as much rain along it. So Futurecast overnight, still showing random showers popping up along these frontal boundaries. So I'm expecting on and off light showers across the viewing area overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. They could be around the bay. They could be inland as well. So all of us will have a chance of seeing some additional showers. And that is possible into tomorrow afternoon as well, as this boundary just continues to kind of stall out and sit over us. So additional rounds of rain showers expected tomorrow. Winds will be lighter, but still could be gusty at times. And these showers actually could last all the way into Tuesday with the boundaries kind of hanging around here. So the model is showing some farther to the east. Some model runs are showing it closer to us on the west. So I'm keeping a chance of rain showers into Tuesday. The good news is the biggest effects from this system will be tonight or today with the wind, and then tonight with some other rain. So I'm not expecting anything extreme over the next couple of days, but we could see some inconveniencing showers and some additional rainfall to the tune of maybe another 1/4 of an inch, 1/2 an inch in the coastal mountains. This is what the models are showing right now. So again, some additional rainfall, and certainly way more than we're expecting during the month of September. All right, I'm going to quickly go through your temperature forecast tomorrow. So find your city on the map. We look at Santa Cruz County. Again, light southerly flow will continue tomorrow as the low sits off to our west. So that's going to keep you in the 60s with winds coming in off of the water. Farther south and east, you're more likely to see those southerly winds come off the land, so they'll stay relatively moderate with some 70s out there in Salinas, Hollister, for example. example, over to the Monterey Peninsula. On the north side of the peninsula, you'll be fairly warm with low 70s, but Pebble Beach with wind off the water will stay in the mid 60s. And then down south, notice you'll see some 70s, but places like San Antonio Valley, you're going to see potentially still some onshore flow coming in from San Luis Obispo County, and that higher elevation also will keep you in the upper 60s tomorrow afternoon. So over the next 7 days, we have a couple more chances of showers, more so tomorrow and then possibly Tuesday, and then a couple models even showing the low kind of sweeping by on Wednesday, which could provide a couple additional showers. We'll watch that for you. Right now, I don't expect anything widespread. And then after that, high pressure builds in, and we're going to warm up and dry out, and actually next weekend is looking very pleasant to finish off that last weekend of September. Inland areas also, again, still windy tomorrow in the valleys at least during the afternoon. Well, scattered showers will continue. Then lingering showers on Tuesday. We're watching for some additional wet weather on Wednesday. And then after that, fall, by the way, begins on Thursday, the autumnal equinox, right around 6 p.m. or so.
It's here.
And
Where's the year? Where'd the year go?
I don't know.
It's gone.
Everything since COVID started has just been a blur to me.
Right?